Hi, I'm Pam Digver, and in 2014 I started Sauce Shop with my husband James. The first sauce we cooked up was smoky chipotle ketchup. We liked it so much we took it to our local market and found out we weren't the only ones.
Everything we make at Sauce Shop has to taste great, using the fewest ingredients possible.
From producing up to 200 bottles a week in our home kitchen, we are now cooking, bottling and labelling around 50,000 bottles a week at our site in Nottingham.
But we've never strayed away from our original values, painstakingly developing all our recipes in-house and even fermenting our own chilies.
We've been determined to redefine the table sauce category by making the best tasting ketchups, barbecue sauces, hot sauces, cooking sauces and loads more.
The blend's been here, coming up to 6 years actually. We came up with this idea of doing grilled cheese sandwiches. They had to be full of flavour. Sauce Shop offers that perfect complement to big flavours in the sauce to the big flavours in the sandwiches. People that have seen it or haven't seen it, they can recognise that there's a quality there in the packaging, and then obviously they can recognise the quality in the taste.
We're proud of our product quality, and with over 10,000 five-star reviews on our website and an excellent rating on Trustpilot, it shows. We love including our fans in every step of our journey, from voting for our next flavour drop to inspiring some of our best recipe content. We feel so lucky to be connected to such a great group of people.
There's always something to keep you coming back and trying new sauces, and they're always amazing. When I read the label on the back of the bottle, I know what's in it. They're independent disruptors in the market, and that really appealed to me.
Our products have won over 30 Great Taste Awards. One of our most recent winners was our collab jam with chef James Cochrane.
Working closely with James and his team, we've produced one of our best products, our Sauce Shop 1251 Scotch Bonnet Chili Jam, which is now available in over 500 Sainsbury's stores. We're also passionate about sustainability. We've partnered with Ecology to plant one tree for every order made. So far, we've planted over 40,000 trees. Our packaging plays an important role too. We use compostable seaweed shrink bands to seal in the flavour.